GESAR provides a long-range VTOL that can be customized to your needs. The maximum range of this drone is 200 km. The range can be extended with additional hardware. GESAR's VTOL is a professional drone combining the advantages of a multi-rotor UAV with a fixed-wing UAV. The VTOL innovation allows you to take off and land safely in limited spaces. You no longer need a runway to fly. Are you looking for a drone with long flight times but don't always have big areas for launching and landing? GESAR's VTOL is what you need. This is the optimal drone for long-range missions and large areas but that have restricted launch and landing zones. When you launch this drone, it lifts straight in the air like a quadcopter. Once it is airborne, it converts to a traditional plane and gently sips power. When it is time to land, the quadcopter rotors turn back on and it gently descends straight down to the ground, protecting your payload or drone cameras. It's an awesome drone with high flight times and an impressive quality. Based on the customer's needs, this drone can be designed to be battery powered or fuel powered. This drone can carry different types of drone cameras and sensors. This drone also comes with a professional portable ground station that works with a 200 km max range. Customers might buy this drone for mapping, crop analysis, inspections, surveying, or security. This drone is perfect for inspections, search and rescue, or any other critical security missions. If you are interested in purchasing this drone or any other long-range unmanned system, reach out to GESAR via the link in the comment section or description. GESAR, creating and delivering quality robots to the masses.